Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix customizing icon not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. And then the first thing that you need to do is simply head over to your settings, and now once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general. Now inside general, tap on software update, and now check to see if you have the latest software update or not, as the features are available on the latest version of iOS 18. So make sure that you have the software updated to the iOS 18 or more. Once your software has been updated, you will be able to change your icons. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply long press on your power button, and then the Siri will be activated. All you gotta do is tell the Siri to restart, and then simply tap on restart to restart your device. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.